I want you to think about today a new concept in the Charlotte area, Lake Norman, Lake Wylie, Lake Wateree, downtown Charlotte, and that is making money off of your second home, vacation homes. You can actually have it pay for itself. The financing is amazing. It can actually be cash flow positive. To talk more about it, I have Drew Miller from Southern Charm Vacations, and he's going to talk about how he did it and how he actually makes money for other people doing it. Drew?
Eric, really excited to be here today. Thanks for the opportunity to share a little more. And like you said, this is a market that not a lot of folks are thinking about as a second home vacation rental. I got into it in 2007, purchased a home very much like you described as a second home for us, place that we could enjoy when other folks weren't reserving the house. And from there, given how successful it was, ended up purchasing a couple other properties. Currently own 3 on Lake Norman, manage around another 10 for other owners, and super excited to tell you a little bit more about it.
What if you actually took your home when you're selling it and advertised it as a vacation rental? Is it more valuable then? Does it actually open up the market to more people? Should people consider doing that?
Absolutely. I actually am doing that personally at another property that I own, and marketed it very much as a turnkey vacation rental, fully furnished. I already had reservations throughout most of the summer, and all that income obviously after the close would move to the new owner. And I think it created a really hot market for the property because someone could own the property in day one, already have tenants, fully furnished, and it's ready to go.
Yeah, so I kind of call this guy Mr. VRBO, and you can Google that too. So he knows what he's doing, and you should listen to him. So this house in particular, how much does it rent for a night?
So during the summer, we're about $3,300 a week. It does vary. One thing that I always try to educate folks on is people actually come and visit with short-term rentals year-round on Lake Norman. So obviously our key peak season is really between Memorial Day and Labor Day, but really April through October is very, very busy.
So you guys handle all the maintenance. If there's a problem, when you move in, move out, you handle that as your company. So $3,300 a week. A week, I want everybody to hear that. A week, that's a lot of money. I mean, your mortgage payment on this might be $3,500 a month. Super, super cool way to actually sell your property or to use your current property and just make it cash flow positive. Now you can buy that second home that you really never really thought you could do. But now you can do it. There's a way to do it. You said something down by the lake, and I wanted to reiterate. You said it rents for $3,300 a week. What did it rent for? I think you've owned this for about 5 years. What's the average net rent after expenses for a year?
About $50,000 to $55,000.
$55,000. That's what the homeowner would take home after expenses and everything.
Correct.
Wow. I can tell you your payment will be less than that. It is cash flow positive. So it rents. He does it for you. What do you have to think about? Thanks.